The 2021 Toyota Yaris Cross Urban builds on a rich SUV heritage to deliver a stylish compact package designed to meet the lifestyle needs of active urban dwellers. The Yaris Cross, the second member in the all-new Yaris family, offers a game-changing presence with its class-leading safety features, hybrid drivetrain, advanced electric AWD system and a premium, flexible interior. Toyota was a pioneer in the small SUV market when we launched the original RAV4 in 1994. RAV4 is now the world's best-selling SUV, and we expect the all-new Yaris Cross is set to make as big an impact on the light SUV market in years to come, Mr. Hanley said. Complementing that is a highly versatile and premium interior, AWD availability for when the tarmac runs out, dynamic driving characteristics and comfortable raised ride height, making it the ideal small SUV, wherever your journey takes you, he said. The Yaris Cross is available in 9 variants with a choice of new petrol or hybrid powertrains, 2WD, front, or electric AWD, and 3 grades, entry-level GX, mid-range GXL and top-of-the-range Urban.